everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here to do a Dior Beauty unboxing. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I also wanted to inform you of their new loyalty Privee program. So if you're interested in knowing that, as well as some promo codes that I have, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Before we get started, just some eye candy. I am going to wear this cute backpack. I know we're in fall and you know the fall weather, but I still think this brown, deep brown shade of leather with this beige canvas just goes really well into this season. And I don't know, I'm wearing this like kind of knit wear and it goes really nicely. I currently have it in the backpack form, but you can also wear this as a crossbody, as a shoulder bag, or a top handle carry. And there's just so many compartments. It fits a lot. I'm actually going to do a updated review video of this very soon, but in case you do want to pick this up because it is on sale, I'll put a screenshot of it here. If you do want to pick it up, I highly recommend it. It is on sale, but you can also use my code angeleyn for an additional 15% off. I think this is amazing. I have my Hermes little rodeo charm here. Yeah, I just love this color combo. Obviously, you could put anything else on there. Even if you don't have it, it looks really nice. So I will do an updated review on it in case, you know, you wanted to see how it's been wearing and tearing, because I have been wearing this all summer. All right, so back to the unboxing. I have not done one of these in so long. I think I've just been very busy with other things, so I haven't done an unboxing for the Dior Beauties. I know the holiday season is coming around and I did place another order already, so stay tuned for that unboxing. But this one was placed earlier and I just kind of got around to it. I do want to take this time to also update you on the beauty program. I think I'm just going to do this unboxing first, and then I'll go into the program, the new programs, tiers, and then I will then go into the promo code. So yeah, I think that's probably the best way to do it, but I'll try to put timestamps as well in case you want to jump around, if that's helpful. All right. It's been a while. I don't even remember what I got actually. I love the beauty packaging. A lot of times when brands send beauty packages, it's different than their usual, but this Dior Pebbles box is the same as their women's line. So that's kind of nice. All right, so the usual beauty pouch. This is a cotton drawstring bag. Let's see what's in it this time. All right, so there are just a bunch of samples, skincare samples, you know, just perfume samples. Yeah, everyone kind of gets that. I'll actually go into that later about what you get in different tiers. I also got a replenishment of this lip balm. This is sort of like the Chanel egg cream, but it's the Dior version, and it's something that you can use for your hands, your lips, your body. So it's actually very nice. I actually really like it. It's not, there's no scent to it, but I also kind of like that. And then I picked up this, it's actually part of their baby line. It's super cute. This one is La Mousse. I think it's Très fondant. I actually don't know how to pronounce it very well, but it is a creamy mousse. So it's like a cleansing foam basically. I do have other cleansing product from Dior, but I thought I want to give this a try. I actually have something already from this baby line and I really like the scent of it. So here's a replacement of that. And the last thing in here is a gift, which I used a promo code for. So let's see. Ooh, it comes in its own little pouch and it says Dior up on the front. Oh my goodness. So it is a Dior with the Canage pattern, the CD, and it's a mirror. So let's see, yep. So there's a film here to protect it, but if you remove it, it becomes a mirror. It's like a metal plate, so it's very strong. You don't have to worry about cracking the mirror. I'm not gonna unpeel this right now because I'll just blind you with the reflection, but yeah, it's very sturdy. It's like heavy. And the back of this mirror is a sticky 3M thing. So I guess you could stick this on like your phone or actually, I don't know where you would stick it. I'm not sure if I would, but I'm actually hoping that I actually prefer that they didn't have this, but honestly, it is beautiful. This is a very, very nice gift, very different than their usual like pouches. So if you're interested in this gift, stay tuned because I will tell you about the different promo codes that I am aware of. All right, so I have a lot to update you about the program. So I wrote it down here. I will also pop the information on the screen. So the Dior Beauty loyalty program is not something you need to join to make a purchase. In fact, there is something called a guest account, which means you don't have an account and you don't really get any of these benefits. Yeah, so I mean, it's fine if you don't care about it, and you probably don't need to watch this section anyway, but any promo codes generally require you to have an account, so just FYI. The other tiers in this new Privee loyalty program is the Pearl, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. So if you've been here before, or if you've known about the loyalty program from Dior Beauty before, these will sound very familiar because a lot of them are exactly the same. There are some different perks, and I believe there are some different spends. So it's a little shifted, but let's go over it together. So the Pearl is the next up. So it's just any registered guest that have spent up to $350. So if you spent $100 and you've registered, you're a Pearl tier. In your second purchase, you get an extra gift. You also get 15-minute one-on-one consultation with the Dior team. You also get free shipping, unlimited free shipping, early access, and access to limited edition items. And for the beauty gifts, which I showed here, you get a regular single one. So that is pretty nice. If you bought more than 2 purchases and spent up to $350, you're already in the silver tier. So not very different, right? Instead of 1 purchase, this is like 3 purchases. Still up to $350. You get a welcome gift for the silver tier. And you also get the same 15-minute one-on-one consultation with the Dior team, unlimited free ship, early access to products, access to limited edition products, access to the Dior magazine, digital magazine, as well as a regular beauty item plus a different item. I'm actually not sure what the difference is, but you get basically 2 different items for free. And then moving on to gold, you need at 3+ purchases, and it's up to $800 spend. But if you're in the gold, you get a gold welcome gift. So moving from silver, you get a welcome gift. Moving to gold, you get another welcome gift. And the welcome gifts do get better, I think, each tier, but they rotate, so I can't really tell you what they are, although I can show you. So in one of the welcome gifts that from like last year or something, I did get this Dior bottle. You can see Dior like that, and it's a glass bottle. It's kind of nice. It's got a little like star at the top. So it's like there's nice gifts, right? Also earlier this year, this was the welcome gift for the platinum tier. So anytime you renew your level, even if you're already like, let's say in platinum, you renew it by purchasing for that year, you get another gift. So this was the platinum gift, which was a Dior, kind of Dior tote. It's in the straw material. It was really nice for the summertime. But yeah, this is something that you do also get as an example. Like I said, they do rotate, but these are just so that you get an idea of what is one of the gifts. Okay, so gold. You get a gold welcome gift. You get a birthday gift, which is different than other tiers. The birthday gift again rotates, so it's sometimes I think I've gotten brushes before, but yeah, it just rotates. You get a 15-minute and a 30-minute one-on-one consultation with the Dior team. You get unlimited free shipping. You get early access to product launches. You get exclusive access to limited edition items, digital magazine, and you get a regular sample and 2 deluxe minis. So not just the regular minis, but deluxe minis. You get invitations to VIP online masterclasses, as well as invitation to in-store events. And then the highest tier, which is the platinum tier, you need to make 4+ purchases and spend up to $1,600. So between $800 and $1,600, you're in the platinum tier. The platinum tier gets you a platinum welcome gift. It gets you a birthday gift. It gets you a seasonal gift, which I think there is one in the winter time for sure. I think there might be one in the springtime. I'm not very positive about that. But I do have a gift from previous years. I didn't end up using this one. There are these drawstring bags, and then there are some like skincare and makeup. But yeah, like I said, I didn't end up using these because I have so many pouches already. But this was nice to get in the mail, surprise. Honestly, I probably end up giving this to like a family member. This one didn't like call out to me, but I was still glad, you know, that they sent these out. And there was a card here that says wishes you a happy holiday season and wonderful new year. So yeah, this was definitely one of their holiday gifts. You get the usual 15-minute, 30-minute one-on-one consultation with the Dior team, unlimited ship, early access to product launches, access to limited edition launches, digital magazine, and with the sample freebies, you get a regular one plus 2 deluxe minis. You get invitations to the VIP online masterclass, the in-store events, and also invitation to in-person masterclasses. So I have not taken advantage of these. I've gotten emails, but I just have not gone. But I think they would be fun, you know, an in-person masterclass. So masterclasses teach you about different things like how to apply skincare or makeup or, you know, all of that stuff. So that is very nice. I wanted to clarify that I am not condoning that you should try to get to each one of these tiers. I try not to buy items to get to the tiers, but it is nice that when you want to buy something and you end up getting rewarded for it anyway. So that's what these tiers should be used for, although I'm sure the marketing team really wants you to purchase items. But just keep in mind, like, that's not the goal. I mean, maybe for you, maybe, I don't know. To each their own. Just keep in mind, just buy what you like, right? Don't fall into these statuses, you know, just do what makes you happy. All right, so I am now going to go into the promo codes. I have done promo codes in these videos before, and I think it's gotten a lot of likes and traction, but I do want to let you know that some of these have minimum spends. Some of them also require you to sign into your account first. And then there are also some that are already sold out or gone, right? So I will put what I have found here, but by the time you get to it, or you know, it may not be there anymore, so just give them a try. I will insert screenshots of ones that I tried and used and worked, so hopefully they work for you as well. So there's LP Cart 24, which allows you to get 3 mini travel size Privee bottle perfumes. They're so cute for the vanity, and you need to spend $150 or more. Dior Loyalty 24, you get a compact mirror with $100 spend. This was the one that I used to get my mirror, although I believe they may be sold out already. I tried to use it again, but I cannot use the code more than one time. So I don't know if it's not working or if it's just because I already used it, but I couldn't test that for you. It definitely worked for me though. And then Welcome You 24 allows you to get a Dior Prestige Eye Cream with $100 spend or more. Dior Tips 24, you get a little jar of La Creme, you get the Overcurl mascara, and then you also get a little denim pouch. I love the look of that denim pouch. Fall Makeup 24, you get a black pouch, some Dior playing cards, as well as a maximizer, and this is with $150 spend. Join 24, you get the Dior mirror, the Overcurl mascara, the lash maximizer, and there's a $150 minimum spend on this. And then finally, the Secret Gold 48. This one gets you a black pencil pouch, the Privee Gris Dior, and some playing cards. I read that it was a $175 minimum spend, although I just used this one actually, and I spent only $170, and I was like, shoot, I'm $5 off. I decided to try it anyway, and it worked. So basically what I'm saying is just give it a try, because sometimes they're out of stock. Sometimes it's not exactly the minimum spend. I don't know. So it's free to try. Just put the code in. I'll list these below as well. So if you have additional ones that you know of that you would like to share with everybody, do list them in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing as well as an update to the Dior Beauty program. I have been frustrated with the Dior Beauty program in the past, mainly because someone put in my birthday wrong and I tried to change it and it took like months and it still didn't get resolved. I just let it go. I did check with this new program. It actually allows me to do it. So, I mean, I know it's a small thing, but I know there are other things before when people were talking about the Dior Beauty program. I do hope that this revamp will kind of fix a lot of those things, but leave it in the comments below what your thoughts are. Are you joining this new program? Oh, and I forgot to mention, I was a platinum member before in the old program, and it got moved to the new one. So I am still platinum, but if I want to stay in the platinum tier, I have to purchase some other amount. I don't know. I'm not going to keep that in mind. I'm just going to buy what I want to buy, and if I get to that tier, great. If not, oh well, right? But anyway, just if you are in a certain tier before you sign in now, you should be able to carry that over for I don't know how long, to the, like whatever it was, to the like next break period. If you're interested in the items I purchased here, I will list it in the description box below. If you have any other questions, leave it in the comments below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.